Welcome to Maths Daily. In this video, we'll focus on simplifying complex fractions. Keep watching and let's learn. A complex fraction is a rational expression that has a fraction in its numerator, denominator, or both. How to simplify complex fraction? Here are simple steps to follow. Number 1. Rewrite or reposition the given fraction. Number 2. Keep, change, and flip. Number 3. Calculate and simplify. Number 4. Convert improper fractions to mixed fractions if necessary, or vice versa. There are times that you need to convert mixed fraction to improper fractions at the beginning of the question. Alright, let's take some examples. 1/2 divided by 5. Following the simple steps to simplify complex fraction, we can simply rewrite this horizontally. So this will become 1/2 divided by 5. Now, since 5 has no denominator, it is understood that it has a denominator 1. Now, step 2 is to keep, change, and flip. How do we do that? Keep the first fraction, so this is equal to 1/2. Change the operation from division to multiplication, so this will become times, and flip or get the reciprocal of the second fraction. So 5/1 will become 1/5. So we can now multiply directly the numerator and the denominator. So 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 5 is 10. So this is our final answer. Another example. 8/9 divided by 20. First step, we write this fraction horizontally, so this will become 8/9 divided by 20/1. Step 2, keep, change, and flip. So 8/9 times 1/20. So let's calculate. 8 times 1 is 8 over 9 times 20 is 180. We can simplify 8 over 180 by dividing both the numerator and the denominator with the same number, divided by 4. So this will give us 2/45. This is the final answer. Moving on to next example. 8/11 divided by 4/5. This is equal to 8/11 divided by 4/5. Step 2, keep, change, and flip. 8/11 times 5/4. Let's calculate. 8 times 5 is 40 over 11 times 4 is 44. Let's simplify. Divided by 4, divided by 4. This is 10/11. This is the final answer. Next example. 1/3 divided by 8/9. Let's rewrite this. 1/3 divided by 8/9. Keep the first fraction, 1/3. Multiply by the reciprocal of 8/9, which is 9/8. Let's calculate. 1 times 9 is 9. 3 times 8 is 24. Let's simplify. 3 divided by 3. This will give us 3/8. Let's have another example. This time, let's have a mixed number. 6 1/3 divided by 9. In this equation, we need to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction before we proceed to calculation. So let's convert 6 and 1/3. This is equal to 19 over 3 divided by 9 over 1. This is equal to 19/3 times 1/9. Let's calculate. 19 times 1 is 19. 3 times 9 is 27. This is the final answer. Let's have another example. 12 divided by 5 and 5/8. Let's convert mixed fraction to improper fractions first. So this is 12 over 1 divided by 8 times 5 is 40 plus 5 is 45 over 8. Twelve 1 times 8, 45. This will give us 12 times 8 is 96 over 45. So since our final answer is in improper fractions, we can convert this into mixed number. So this will give us 2 and 6, 45. So this is our final answer. Alright, let's have another example. 2/3 divided by 3 plus 1/4. This is equal to 2/3 divided by 3 and 1/4. From this, convert mixed fraction to improper fractions. This will become 2/3 divided by 13/4. 2/3 times 4/13. This will give us 8 over 39. This is our final answer. Okay, another example. Let's have 4 plus 1/2 divided by 3/5. This is equal to 4 and 1/2 divided by 3/5. Convert mixed fraction. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. This is equal to 9 half divided by 3/5. 9 half times 5/3. This will give us 45 over 6. We can also write this as 15 half. Now since our final answer is in improper fractions, we can convert this into mixed fraction. 7 and 1/2. This is our final answer. Let's have another example. 2 and 10/12 divided by 3 and 5/8. In this example, we need to convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. So 12 times 2 is 24 plus 10 is 34. 34/12 divided by 24 plus 5, 29, 8. This is equal to 34 over 12 times 8, 29. Let's calculate. 34 times 8 is 272 over 12 times 29 is 348. Now we can simplify this by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by 4 divided by divided by 4. This would give us 68 over 87. This is our final answer. Another way to simplify this complex fraction is through finding the LCM. 2 10/12 divided by 3 5/8. 12 times 2 is 24 plus 10 is 34 over 12 divided by 8 times 3 is 24 plus 5 is 29 over 8. Now, after converting the mixed fractions to improper fractions, the next thing we need to do is to find the common multiple of 12 and 8. The least common multiple of 8 and 12 is 24. So we need to multiply the numerator by 24 and also the denominator. Let's calculate. We can just do cancellation here. So let's cancel 12, 24, 2. 34 times 2 is 68 over, let's cancel 8 and 24. This is 3. 3 times 29 is 87. So this is our final answer.